Good everyone, my name is Graphics. Today we want to bisect and trisect the line. Now let's assume that we're given a line of what? Of 40 and we're told to bisect it. Bi means into two, sect means two different sections, two different parts. So let's try. Now what I'll do is, I'll take my t-square and I'll move it to a point and I'll measure the line. The line should be, initially I should just draw a straight line this way, faint line if I want to, right? And I'll pick a point on that line. That point should be my point A, right? And I'm going to measure the length of the line, 40. Let's use 40 and see. Now if I use 40 from here to 4 here is 40, right? From 0 to 4 is 40. So I call that my next point, point B. And I'm told to bisect it. It means I'm told to divide it into two, right? So I'll take my compass, this compass here, and I'll place it at A and B respectively. Can you see that? Now doing that with this measurement, and from here I will strike an arc up and I'll strike an arc down, right? And I'll come to A, I'll cut up and I'll bisect down, right? So let's say where this point meets is point C, right? And where this point meets is point D. So I'll use my rule and join both of them together. So joining both of them together will be a faint line. So when I join it together, the faint line, now they meet at this point here, right? Now the length of the line we say is 40. So from A, where they bisect, let's call it to be point E, right? That is the point they meet. So bisect means two parts, two equal parts, right? So if I measure from A to E, what do you notice? We're having 20. That is from 0 to 2 is 20, right? And if I measure from E to what? To B, I'll be having 22, right? So that is from here to here is what? 20. This is 10 and this is 20. So what we've successfully done is what? Bisect. Out of everything we have here, what will be very visible will be the line A and B. With the line A and B from here to here. Can you see that? Every other thing will be what? Faint. This is what it means to bisect the line. So let's trisect and see. So the same given line, let's take another line. Let's assume 60, right? So in this case, we have seen that my AE is equals to what? My EB. AE is 20, EB is 20. So let's try another line and see what it means to trisect. So I have a line of 60 millimeter from 0. This is 60 from these 2 points here, right? So we say A to B is what? Is 60. So I'm going to thicken the line because that is what I need. From A to B, I'll thicken it. So from here, I'm going to thicken at this point. You can see that. So I want to trisect. In trisecting, you don't need your compass. What you need is your set square. Now if you look at this, this is my t-square standing here this way, right? So what I'm going to do is, with the help of my 60-degree set square, right, I'm going to place it this way. Can you see? When it's in this direction, it is 30 degrees, right? This direction. So look at it very well. The bigger set square is the 60 degree when it's sitting down this way. So when it is lying down this way, I'll draw a line from this point this way, which is, you can see that, and I will turn it the other way around also this way. So I'll do it this way too. Now they are meeting at this point here. That point they meet, I'm using faint line. The point they meet will be my point what? Let me call it point C, right? So in doing that now, initially I was line it down this way to get, so that means the angle between here and here is what? Is 30 degrees. So what I'll simply do, I will now stand it again. So when I'm standing it now, it is now 60 degrees now. So that 60 degrees, I'll move it to the point C on my set square, my T square. I'll move it this way. At that point, I'll draw a line from here to touch here. Can you see that? And I'll turn it the other way around also, and I'll draw another line from here to touch here, right? So if you notice it, this A, B, this C, and this will be D, and this will be what? E. Now, if I'm very correct, we say the length of the line AB is 60. If I'm very correct, my AD will be equal to what? DE will be equal to what? EB. So let's check that and see. So at that point, I have from A to D, what do you notice? From A here to D is 20, right? It's 20, and also from D to E is another 20. You can see from 0 to here is 20, and from E to B the other 20, from 1 to 2. So that is 60 millimeter. So this is how you bisect, and this is how you work to trisect. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the like button also. Thanks for watching.